to a beauty vlog, I guess that's what we'll call it. But I'm so excited, and Z's excited too. She's acting crazy, so I just put her up here for a second. And but I'm excited to talk about a new makeup line that my friend recently launched. It's called AJC, and the products are really, really good. I'm excited to show you what she sent me in the mail. I can't wait to order some more. But in the meantime, I'm gonna put her down for 1 second. So I'm about to see her right now. And I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do a quick, like 5-10 minute face, do my hair a little bit, and show you how to make a perfect fall look. That'd be great for Thanksgiving coming up or any holidays. You know, even if you're just hanging around the house, you can still look your best. So let's get started on that right now. So before I get started talking about my friend's products, I don't have any makeup on. This is one of the first times, which I don't know, maybe you saw my Valentine's Day vlog where I went to a Valentine's Day party and they took my makeup off. But this is the only other time I've actually been on camera without makeup. But that's not gonna last long because we're gonna put some on. And before I start talking about my friend's line, I'm gonna use 2 or 3 things that are just kind of a staple for me. And first up is this foundation, which is I've used before on here, and it's the Forever Glow Dior. And like I said, it is a little pricey, but it lasts a long time. I haven't even gone to Sephora probably since the beginning of the summer, and this has lasted since then. There's still a pretty good amount left. And letting the dog out for 1 second. She's scratching. But I get this one. They have several different types in the Forever, but I get the Skin Glow. As you can see, just because it makes my skin a little bit more dewy, as we'll focus back on there. And the dog is seriously staring at me. I wish I could show you guys, but she thinks I'm crazy talking to the camera. But I'm gonna go ahead and put just a little bit of foundation on, as we will see here. Finished up my foundation, which I actually forgot part of the process because I had just gotten out of the shower not too long ago, and I actually used this first when I got out. It's AJC, which I told you that my friend has developed this incredible makeup line, and I'll link it below, but it has so many cool things about it, and a lot of the if not all, but most of the ingredients are all natural. So that's really, really good. I mean, it even tells you what all is in here, which it is, it's not zooming in, but it's got natural aloe, lavender oil, vegetable glycerin. So right there, it tells you everything that you need to know what's in here. There we go. And yeah, so this is a good primer. And as you can see, it is clear and it's a really good base. It's like a moisturizer, so that's what I use before I put my makeup on, so it makes it, I don't know, I think it gives it that little bit of extra glow, which I'll put a little bit more right here. Gives you that little bit more extra glow. And this is one of the products that she sent me, and it's been one of my favorites that I've used so far. Is a lip scrub, which I always have trouble with chapped lips and all that. So that goes on like this. But you have it, and I know my finger smudges are in it, but you just put it a little bit, and it even comes with this handy applier, and it tastes so good. I know you're not supposed to eat it or anything, but it does taste really good. And again, you can just see all the basic ingredients that are in there. I'm trying to, there you go. So it tells you everything that's in it, which you can see. I really like that on small businesses and things like that. It goes ahead and tells you everything that's in it, and you know exactly what you're putting on your face, in your body and all that. But this is a lip scrub, and I think it's so cute. Like, the packaging is adorable, and I love the color. And it's very sugary, you know, which it does have sugar in it, but it's very fruity and good tasting. So just want to scrape a little bit of that off, and your lips, especially in this weather where it's so crazy, especially in the South. Like, it's hot one day, but then it's cold the next. I know it can run crazy on my skin. So with that being said, our lips are done. We have our foundation on. I'm going to do a quick under eye concealer, which I've been using this since I was in college. It's been a while. Instant Age Rewind, and I love it. It's from Maybelline, and it's one of those old standbys that you can always use just a little bit underneath. When I was in college, I actually used to use it over as my foundation mainly. So we got our under eyes done, And I know I might be not doing all this makeup correctly. I'm definitely not a beauty blogger like I've said before, but I just want to show you these amazing products that my friend has put out. Speaking of things that go on after we take our makeup off, it is this spray, which this has been my favorite thing, I think, in the entire collection that she sent me. Look at the gold flecks. Isn't that so cool? And this is the, it's Rose and Lavender Toner. And you just spray it on your face when you're done cleansing. So after I hop out of the shower at night, when it's done to take off all my makeup and everything, I'll spritz this on. It's kind of really handy. With my husband, I have gone several road trips, just because we're definitely not flying or doing anything like that right now. Just done some little road trips, but after being in the car for several hours, I like to put this on there because I don't know, I feel like your skin is so parched and so gross after sitting in the car for a long time. So I've definitely used this one, but I hate to get to the bottom of it because it just looks so cool. It's so pretty. And again, it tells you everything, all the ingredients that's in it right here. So you can try to get it to zoom in. Yeah, but it's not doing it for me. But it's just got chamomile tea, distilled water, witch hazel, things like that are very natural and very good, but it's just so cool. And I love it. So this is something that I'll be putting on my face after we take our makeup off tonight. But since we were getting ready, I'm gonna get started with the eye products, which are really, really fun and really cool, and we're gonna create a perfect fall look. We're doing a quick face. We've already got our foundation on, which that doesn't take any time at all. We've got on our concealer. What I'm gonna start out with first is this AJC, this liquid eyeshadow right here. And I love the color. It's 24 karat, wet to dry. And I like this one a lot because I love the way it feels, but I also just love the way it looks, which, you know, with Thanksgiving coming up and then Christmas, I feel like gold is a natural color. And for us all to wear, since everything's so sparkly and shimmery. And as you can see, I love the way that it goes on. I'm trying to wink and it looks really strange, but I love this, just a few swipes of it. And this is something that is so easy to use and looks so good. Again, my dog is staring at me over here. It's so easy to use and so good. And the other one that she sent me, which maybe we'll do a little in the corner. I use that quite a bit since she gave it to me, but so it's smudging a little bit. But this is Prism Baby. And it's kind of this white, almost iridescent look. Let's take it old school and just do like a little in the corner. Remember this? To make our eyes look a little bit wider. And maybe we'll do a little to the top too, just to kind of pale, shimmery look that I love. And very easy to do. So even if you're not a makeup expert, which my friend is a makeup artist, she's fantastic. Her name is Lexi. She is incredible, and I love this line that she's put up. She's actually done several, the squeaking for my dog. I'm gonna make that stop in a second, but she's actually done several short films, acting, but also doing the makeup. I'm gonna have to make that stop, hold on. Okay, now she's chewing on one of my shoes instead of chewing on something that's squeaking and making noise. But since this is the final face, we're almost done anyway. Next up, I'm just gonna apply this blush, and this is e.l.f. I really like it. I got it at Target a while back. As you tell, I've been using it like crazy. So just gonna do a little pink cheek, which I think is flattering to everyone and easy to do. Like I said, I'm not a beauty blogger, so, or vlogger, whatever. If you want to go to all the contouring and all that, I don't know how to do all that. Lexi does, my friend who I was talking about, but I do not. But she's made it easy for us so that these products that she has are super easy to use, especially the eye products, which I just showed you. So kind of have that glow. And back with the eyes, I know everyone kind of has like some crazy eyebrows, some brow growth. I know that I've been waxing forever, so I've had a little bit of loss there. You can actually do it on your eyelashes too. And you're supposed to do it before bed, but you know, we're showing off the product, so we're gonna do it right now. And as you can see there, this brow and lash growth, so you can put on your lashes as well. And it's a serum. Again, all the ingredients, she has everything down, and everything's so easy. And as I mentioned earlier, I love that on her website she tells you everything, what's in the product, so that you know exactly what's going on your face, which is so important, especially with some things you don't have any idea what's going on. And with hers, that's what I love about small businesses. She's very hands-on and she knows exactly what she's doing. So like I was saying earlier before my dog was squeaking on her toy, Lexi, who created AJC, is an incredible makeup artist. She's done several makeup for short films, so she's done monster movies, horror movies, but she made this beautiful collection. And to finish it off, I'm just gonna use a little bit of Bambi eye mascara. I got this at Target a couple of months ago, and I love it. It's easy. I'm actually coming down to the last parts of it, so just a little bit of a lash. I like to do color just because I feel like it makes me look a little more vibrant, and I'm gonna use this one called Pineapple Express. I just got this at Sephora a while back, and I really like these. These are actually pretty cheap too, and we're just gonna put a little bit on. And there we go. There is our 5-minute face, with the majority being these amazing AJC products, which I am obsessed with, and I cannot wait to order some more. Thank you so much to my friend Lexi, who gifted me this package, and I'm gonna link her site down below so that you can check out a lot of her incredible products. And it is a small business that's wonderful to support this time of year, and especially coming from such an amazing person. I'm so impressed with and just blown away with her new makeup line, and I cannot wait to see what else she comes with next. And I'm sure she's gonna have some holiday things coming up. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed getting to look over this collection, and I hope you enjoyed this 5-minute face that you can easily wear to a low-key Thanksgiving, which I hope we're all having. And yeah, so enjoy this fall holiday look. And someone wanted up to say goodbye and tell Z. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out the link below to ajc.com. I cannot wait for you to try these makeup products as well, which I hope that you do. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you next time. Bye.